A bonus step is to troubleshoot the AI agent, and you can do so in two different ways. So the first way would be to check the bot user for their AI messages system field. If we take a look at the AI messages, which is a new system field that keeps track of all the AI replies of the agent as well as the user replies, then we can see how the conversation is going as well. So we have a user, we have an assistant, and that will go back and forth. And then we will see, okay, what kind of tool or what kind of function is being called at what time. So we can see, for example, here all the user details have been captured. And what happens now is the assistant is going to call a function that we set up inside of our AI agent, which is capture user details. And then we will have arguments that will relay the captured user details. So the parameters that we set up. If we scroll down a little bit further, you will then see that we get a role of tool and then the tool call ID. That means that the tool, the function, now triggers the workflow that we have set up, and we can see now which content has been produced. If we take a look at the content, you will see that we have the AI reply that replies back with the available time slots because we set it up after capturing the user details. We are now triggering the function call where we have the workflow connected to fetch all of the available time slots. As you can see, later on, the next step will be the AI agent again that formulates the available time slots based on the given data with a little bit of formatting as we have set up inside the AI agent prompt. If we continue the conversation, we can see user response, the assistant response, the user response, and then once the time and date have been chosen, the assistant is triggering another function that you can see is save chosen date and time. That is the second function that we set up in the AI agent, and then we will have the arguments of the parameters that we set up to be saved in the date and time in the original format. What happens then is we get a new role of tool where you can see that this information is now being forwarded towards the AI agent. That is the function output result, where we say the appointment has been successfully booked. And then the AI agent will create its own variation of this to send towards the user. This way you can see exactly how a conversation is going between a user and the AI agent. There is another step and another process as well, and that is by checking the live chat. And you can go directly here. And if we take a look on the live chat itself, you will then see the AI agent appointment booking agent has been triggered. That has then sent a reply towards the user. And unless this changes, you can assume that all the replies come from this specific AI agent. And after capturing all of the user details, you will see custom field values are saved, right? The first name, last name, email, and then the function call is being called. And we can see these are the arguments that we also saw in the AI messages JSON. And then we receive this from the function output, result, action inside the workflow. So these are all the results that we get back from that workflow where we fetch the available data. So that will be the function call that you can see that is properly being called. The next step would be for the AI agent to format the requested date and time according to our prompt. So first let them choose a date and then let them choose a time. And then if we scroll down, you will see the custom field value changed, meaning a new function has been triggered, where we can see that the new value has been saved in its original format. And then after the parameter has been captured, we can see that the function call has been added as well. And we can see that we can also navigate to the step inside the flow, but you can see that this function call is now activated. So these are the ways that you can troubleshoot your AI agent to see where the specific issue might lie. So for example, if you don't see any custom field value changes or a function call to be captured, you might need to check the AI function itself and or the AI agent prompt to see if anything might need more additional guidelines inside the prompt for the AI agent to understand properly whenever they need to trigger it.